Welcome, today I'm wearing a new Motorola Edge 30 Ultra and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first we should launch Gmail application, and after that we can see that we are logged in into two accounts at the same time. And now just to log out from one from these accounts in Gmail app, we should log out from one from these accounts in Google settings. So just to do that, we should go to manage accounts on this device and just select one from these Gmail accounts. For example, let's use this one. Just click here remove account and confirm your action by click to remove account again. And now here in Google account settings we can see that we stay only with one Gmail account. And just let's go back here to the application. Let's check, and then we can see that we stay also in app only with one Gmail account. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.